Hello kids, my name is Jatin. Today we are going to make a giraffe. Take a pencil, take your eraser, take your colors. Now we are going to make a giraffe. One curl, one more curl as an ear. Going towards upside, slanting line, downside, going towards upside, slipping line, again coming downside, one curve, two curve. These are the small tones and these are the two ears. Now I'm going towards face, one slanting line, one curve line, one deep curve inside, again one curve. This is a mouth, one straight line going towards downside, a long throat, again a back portion with a slanting line, one curve line coming inside, one straight line going downside, one curve and a straight line, one slipping line, one slanting, one standing, one slipping. This is my fit of a giraffe. One more curve as a stomach, one curve and one straight line. One straight line straight towards downside, one slipping line, one curve line, one standing line, one slipping line. This is my another leg. Now one curve line, one straight line, one little bit straight line, slipping line, curve line, straight line, slipping line. This is my another toe. Now I'm going to make it one slanting line going outside, coming inside to the half leg, again inside, again one slanting line, one standing line, one slanting, one slipping, one standing. This is a leg where giraffe is climbing up a slopey hill. This is our slopey hill where giraffe is climbing up. Now this is a eye, small, this is a nose and one more curve there for a mouth and a few scalps on a body. By using a sketch pen you can make it there, brown, make it there, round shapes. You can make it tiny too. Fill it whole body. It goes to back portion too. Do it slowly. You can make it in small and big shapes. It goes in leg too. Now here tail, small tail. Here our giraffe is ready. Now I am going to make it color. Take your color, kids. I am going to take it light brown on a slopey line. This is my slopey line. Fill border first. Fill color inside. Do it very slowly. Now yellow color in my body of the giraffe. Take it yellow color.